We boost you up onto that thing, so you're standing and then I can shoot you with the buildings in the background.
As long as I don't die, then yeah. Hey, how's it going? You good? Great. Today we're going to be doing a bit of merch photo shoot. Before we head out, I've got to head over to Custom Promotions, which is a place where they designed all this merch and they actually created it all as well. We got to go there, pick up this. How about let's just go to Custom Promotions. Are there any shots you want to get tonight?
Yeah, I want to get a shot of like both of us together on the 85mm. There's a lot of things going on like with the website, like I forgot how fucking hectic it is. Oh, here's Lamont. I forgot to call Lamont to come on this photo shoot as well.
What are we doing tonight with the Tesla?
Oh yeah, I forgot to call you because I feel fucking tired as, but I'm already on a photo shoot right now with Liam. I just picked him up.
So what is it? Is it the screen printed hood?
Screen printed hood.
Like the big Japanese character. Alright, you show Mike, I don't...
Oh, fuck.
Far out. Look at the colours. Dude, this is like, I'm so happy with this quality.
Oh yeah, you said you're coming at 8.
We just had a little pre-shoot feed. This is Riley, by the way. He also does YouTube.
Konnichiwa.
Do you have any idea what sort of shots we're going to get today?
Well, I think we're shooting Mike's merch, but
and mine, and
Liam's.
Yeah.
So I was the most important person first.
I've been to this place before and they have a lot of cameras here, so last time we came here we got kicked out immediately. I'd be interested to see if we get kicked out this time.
Just take all the photos on my camera.
Alright, what lens do you have?
Which lens you want?
I reckon the 85mm, what do you think?
See.
What do you think?
Use
Best
the
pickup
105.
line.
Use the 105.
Best pickup line right now. Go. 3, 2, 1.
You're with a girl, right? And then you want to pick her up, what do you say?
You say, does this smell like chloroform?
Oh yeah! With like streetwear photography, you want to make sure that you're lighting up the actual clothing properly, otherwise you're not going to be able to see it. So
Another button.
yeah, should help brighten it up. I forgot how sharp the 85 is. That's sick, yeah.
Fuck me.
It's a good start. We'll get better ones though. It's a good start though. I like it.
We boost you up onto that thing, so you're standing and then I can shoot you with the buildings in the background.
As long as I don't die, then yeah.
What are you doing up there?
Mate, nothing. Don't worry.
Mate, it's fucking against the law.
This is all a facade. This is Photoshop. I don't know how I'm gonna get down, mate.
I'm down.
There you go.
Oh, bro, they're sick. So now we put on the 35mm f1.2. I think Mike is gonna stand on a roof or something, which I wouldn't advise you to do, but Mike's gonna do it anyway.
Hey, what's up?
Jamie's come along to the photo shoot. Is there any photos you wanted to get tonight?
I mean, if you guys want to take a photo, I haven't been posted on Instagram a lot lately,
Yeah.
so I actually could use a new photo.
Yeah, as far as the merch goes, we've only shot one out of the 4 designs. So
Photos look dope though. I just had a look and I was
Yeah.
like, they're on point.
yeah, dude, I can't wait to edit these. Alright, we just spotted some neon signs which are never usually on, so we'll be able to get some nice shots of this one here, which is like the sort of vaporwave one, and then also Mike's RGB version of his sort of tops. Alright, that's another shoot done. I like when all of the boys go out and we all shoot together, even if we're not all shooting. It's a good excuse to hang out with the boys and also get content out of it as well. So let's start editing these photos. The good thing I like to do when I import the photos, you got to make sure your Lightroom is on the library section here, and then go to your folder with all your raws and literally just drag one of them to here, like that. you want to make sure none of the photos are ticked. So see how if I click here, they're all ticked. You want to make sure none of them are ticked, and then just go through them with your arrow keys, and then just press P on every one that you want to import. Say you accidentally clicked P but you don't want to import it, just press U, which will unpick it. With the first image here, I was like, is this blurry? Like, I just zoomed in and I realized it's just the design. The photo is nice and sharp. Good work, Mike. For the presets, I reckon film style will work. Great, lovely. I take that back. Neons. With a lot of my presets, a lot of the colors get changed, but with streetwear, you want to make sure that the colors are the same as they are in real life. So you don't want to make like this color here. You don't want to make the pink of this t-shirt like orange. Otherwise, when someone buys it, they're going to be like, what the hell? This isn't what I ordered. Click in here. It's going to zoom in and press Y, which will show me like the before and after. So that on the left is the before, and I can just go to the orange slider and then just match it up to what it was before. That's pretty accurate. The next photo is here of me standing on this little ledge here, and it's a bit more than a ledge. It's like the entry to the car park staircase. I would have liked it if the background was filled with buildings. A bit more like this shot that we got of Mike. Like, I really like these ones here. I'm chuck film grain on it. Whoa. Well, I'm super happy with this shot because like there's a lot of buildings in the background. It just helps to fill it up and make the photo a bit more full. This preset is called Clean Sheet because it's just a clean preset for night stuff. I think I like that one a bit better. Which edit do you like? That one or this one? This is my favorite shot from this location where we have Mike just sitting on the roof. Because we shot it on the Sigma 35 f1.2, you can see that there's just a huge difference between the sharpness of the foreground and the background. Like the background is just purely nicely out of focus. You got that nice bokeh. As we're heading to the next location, Mike had this idea of standing there, sort of looking to the side and having a tram go by him. And we got this photo here. And as you can see, the tram's a bit blurred in the background, like there's a bit of motion blur. That's because we shot it at 1/6 of a second, just meaning that any moving object in the background would have motion blur, just to place a bit more focus on Mike as the subject. And then the last shot of the night that we got was this photo here. This is probably my favorite shot of my merch, of me, for the whole shoot. The door here, which sort of leads your eye towards me. And then the main reason is the contrast between the colors. You have the oranges, you have the blues, just the contrast. Just, you know, I love having those two different colors in my photos. I like it. I like it a lot. I don't know why I like it. It just looks cool. And that's why I like it. We didn't shoot all the merch tonight, but I didn't expect to. We got three different designs done. I think we got 2 different designs done, so we still got 2 more which we'll shoot in the future, but it's just good to get a start on it so we can start uploading the content to the website. Once we've got all the content, we can upload it and release the merch to you. And then you can wear the merch. I'm excited. I'm keen to start seeing people wearing the merch. It'll be cool. The past couple of days I've been feeling really just out of it and very unproductive. Like I've been on my phone a lot, just watching YouTube and not really doing much. I was trying not to beat myself up about it. I was just being like, okay, I'm not doing anything, but that's okay. I'm just gonna relax and use this time to just recharge my battery so that I can film this video now. I did do that, and last night I felt awesome. Like I was in the zone. I was feeling really creative. Like I wasn't tired at all because I had let myself recharge and build up my energy. If you're not being productive, don't beat yourself up about it. That's all for me today. If you did like this video, remember to leave a like, help me out by hitting subscribe, and as always, don't think, just do.
Repetition, sharp and blaze, like me.
Speak up. You just like touch the accelerator. You just sort of like go.
Talk, yeah.
Whoa!
What the fuck?
Jesus Christ. Bro, that was fucked.
What are you fucking in my helmet?
The hottest in the season, even summer looks away. Cause I got something to prove. I'm here cause I pay my dues. So please tell me something new. I'm in the game.